Hi, my name is Ashish and this is the new video. And in this video we will discuss Azure Active Directory B2C business to consumer. Azure Active Directory Azure AD B2C is an identity management service that enables you to customize and control how customers sign up, sign in, and manage their profiles when using your applications. This includes applications developed for iOS, Android, and .NET, among others. Azure AD B2C enables these actions while protecting the identities of your customers at the same time. Azure Active Directory or Azure AD B2C is a business-to-consumer identity management service. This service enables you to customize and control how users securely interact with your web, desktop, mobile, or single-page applications. Using Azure AD B2C, users can sign up, sign in, reset passwords, and edit profiles. In Azure AD B2C, a tenant represents your organization and is a directory of users. Each Azure AD B2C tenant is distinct and separate from other Azure AD B2C tenants. A tenant contains information about the users that have signed up to use your application, for example, passwords, profile data, and permissions. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and show you how to create an Azure AD B2C tenant in your existing subscription. So if you will log on to the portal, and if I just show you from the beginning, if you will create a resource, click on create a resource on your Azure portal. Let me go back and type in Azure Active Directory B2C. Click on the option. Here you get this. Click on create. Okay, it says create a new B2C tenant or link to an existing tenant. So if I say create a new Azure B2C tenant, let's explore the options. Organization name, say discuss cloud computing. Initial domain name would be discuss cloud computing. Country would be India. If it's present, THI, oh man, it is not present. GH, Ireland is okay, let's select United States as of now. So if you will click create, it will take around 1 minute to create this directory, Azure AD B2C directory under your existing subscription. See, my existing subscription is this, pay as you go. Okay, I don't have any other subscription. So if you do not do it, if you link an existing Azure AD B2C tenant, so it will take some time. New Azure AD B2C tenant found, because I've not created one. So if you'll create a new one and you would link it to your subscription, I don't believe we can delete it. Let me check. It will come up with an option create directory. It will take approximately 1 minute. I'll pause the video and come back when it's done. Okay, it says successfully created the directory. I'll go back. It says click here to manage your new directory. I click here. It takes me to another portal. All right. This is my Azure AD B2C directory. I can register an application. I can add an identity provider, create a user flow. I can also link my subscription to this B2C tenant, or the subscription needs your attention. So I can link it with my directory, which is Azure AD B2C. It is not the Azure Active Directory, which is this. This is the default directory that gets created. I've covered this part in the previous videos that I've made. But this is my Azure AD B2C tenant, and this is the Azure Active Directory, the default directory. So I hope this was informative to all of you. I'll be back with another video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you have any doubts, please mention in your feedback section in the comment section. Till next time, have a great day ahead. Bye-bye.